Want to turn off screen time on your iPhone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable screen time and remove the screen time passcode on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now, depending on your iOS version, you may or may not see the option Turn Off App and Website Activity. If you don't see it on your device, don't worry. Just follow the steps shown on your screen, as the layout can be slightly different on older iOS versions. If the option is available, tap on it and enter your screen time passcode to continue. Then tap Turn Off again to confirm your decision. Next, if you also want to remove the screen time passcode, go back to the Screen Time Settings page and tap Change Screen Time Passcode. Then select Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. Enter your current passcode, and the screen time protection will be removed from your device. And that's it. Screen time has now been turned off, and you can freely manage your settings without restrictions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.